SIIT has made its mark many years ago. The company has got great leadership, great staff.
This is a great institution, a great Saskatchewan institution that does incredible work.
About 16 years ago, Boeing partnered with SIIT to support them in establishing the Saskatoon Aviation Learning Centre, which we are investing additional money into today.
This is such an exciting day for us at Boeing today. This is amazing.
Today's announcement from Boeing is in the order of $17 million Canadian.
The money that Boeing's investing is going to have multiple positive impacts, one of which is doubling the capacity of the students.
Boeing's $17 million investment today is going to do a number of things for us. It's going to offer a new two-year program in avionics, prep program for those students needing additional support in math and science to start both AME programs, a state-of-the-art avionics lab, and double the size of our Saskatchewan Aviation Learning Centre.
Helping SIIT to double its number of highly coveted AME graduates. And this is a direct result of Canada's purchase of Boeing's Poseidon aircraft for the Royal Canadian Air Force.
Two major challenges that we had been hearing over and over and over again was needing additional skilled men and women for the aerospace industry, as well as engaging and empowering the Indigenous community and increasing their representation in this industry.
We have full confidence that the SIIT folks, they're going to use these funds and turn those into real-world opportunities, but also at the same time drive aerospace development in Canada.
What a very, very generous investment today on behalf of Boeing. We can't tell you how humbled and how honored we are to have you as a partner.
Going to school at SIIT, I can honestly say was easily one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. Everything that I have today, my skill set, my knowledge, my quality of life, my work-home balance, is all because I chose to go to school at SIIT.
Following graduation, I now work at Rise Air. Right in the first month, I was getting to do engine changes, and that was something else. To be able to do that for a living now, and it's like, wow.
I love what I do, and I'm excited for the future graduates because this funding will greatly benefit them in the long run.
Very proud and honored to have Boeing as a partner. Valuing that relationship. Reconciliation is about one important word, a relationship.
We talk about economic reconciliation here in Canada, and people struggle to define what it is. It's happening right here. This is economic reconciliation in action here today by your investment. So we thank you for that. On behalf of the 2,500 students, over 60,000 alumni, 16 board members on our board of governors, our senior executive team, all the great people that put this together, we're very humbled about today's announcement, and we're so grateful, and we thank you.